Did you know you might be stuck in your drawing practice because you're training the wrong things without realizing it? In this video, you'll learn the exact drawing exercises you need to build control, depth, and confidence. If you skip this, you'll just keep sitting there wondering why your drawings don't improve no matter how much time you put in. I've been drawing for over 2 decades and I wish I learnt these sooner. Watch until the end because the final exercise is the one that makes everything else finally click. Let's get into it. Cross-contour drawing. Imagine putting X-ray goggles on and seeing the curves of an object. This is what cross-contour drawing does. Pick a basic shape and draw lines that follow its form. Try it on boxes, spheres, and organic shapes. Think in 3D. This is a game changer for realistic drawing. Draw your ellipses coming towards the viewer and also at an angle against the viewer. Why it works? It builds your ability to shade and define volume, making your drawings look more solid. Do this exercise for 10 minutes. Stick around because I'll show you a fun way to combine this exercise with hatching for even more depth. Mark making techniques. Strong drawings rely on good mark making. Let's explore different textures and shading styles. Cross hatching. Layer lines in different directions. Tapered strokes. Start with pressure, then fade out. Scribbles. Experiment with light, medium, and dark tones. Why this works? It expands your visual language and makes your art more expressive, helping you shade and render like a pro. Grab your previous cross-contour exercises on organic shapes and combine the two. Use your marks to add textures, fur, or character to these forms. Play with different lines, strokes, and patterns. This is a fun way to bring personality into your exercises whilst reinforcing both cross-contour and mark-making skills. Take your time here. It's a bit of fun and no pressure, and it helps you learn about cross-contour and mark-making in one. Do this for 3 to 5 minutes, and in a moment, I'll share my go-to shading technique that instantly adds realism. Exercise 4. Drawing with limited tones. Less is more. Limiting yourself to a few values forces smarter choices. So draw a rectangle and divide it into 5 sections. Shade each from darkest to lightest. Use different pencils or pen tips for variation. Why this works? Because understanding values is essential for creating depth, contrast, and focal points. Remember, fewer tones equals stronger drawings. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes. Enjoying these exercises, hit that like button and hit subscribe for even more content in the future. Let me know what you think about this video and these exercises in the comments section below. What's your biggest challenge in drawing? Exercise 5, gesture drawing. Do you want your sketches to feel more alive? Gesture drawing is key. Use C, S, and I strokes to capture movement. Focus on flow, not details. Try drawing people, animals, or even objects. Why this works? It forces you to think fast and draw with energy. Don't get so caught up with the details and just think about the flow, the movement, and the energy that the subject provides. Do this for 5 minutes. Try a 30-second, a 1 minute, or 3-minute sketches. Just experiment and have fun. Negative shape drawings. To help you improve drawing accuracy, focus on the shapes around the objects you draw. Pick an object and concentrate on the empty space around them. Try filling the negative space with solid shading or patterns. Flip between drawing the object and its surroundings. This is beneficial to your drawing skill because it helps you see shapes more accurately. Do this for 10 minutes. Drawing from observation. Train your eye by sketching what you see, not what you think you see. Choose an object and capture its proportions with quick strokes. Look for angles, curves, and details. Don't rush the foundational process. Step back and compare your drawing to the real object and keep refining it. Why this works? Observational drawing sharpens accuracy and improves realism in your drawing. Do this for 10 to 15 minutes. It's all about consistency, and I highly recommend you checking out this video coming up.